Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and we are looking at a 2019 Lexus UX 250h all-wheel drive. The H stands for hybrid. Let's jump into this atomic silver exterior, gray leather interior vehicle. It's offered by Plaza Lexus in St. Louis. The sticker price is $39,037. For additional information, contact Trey. His information is listed below. As we move around to the back of the vehicle, you can see the Lexus blue badging. That indicates it is a hybrid. Gets great gas mileage. We'll talk about that in a moment. As we move around to the passenger side, you can see the aluminum roof rails, the 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped with 225/50 RF 18 run flat all-season tires, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, that aggressive Lexus grille. As we dive into the interior, we see the 60/40 fold-down rear seats. Get a great look at the driver's area. As we move out, we can see the moonroof. It's a power moonroof. And we jump into the driver and passengers compartment. We get a wonderful look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. I love the stitching on the steering wheel with the fingertip controls. Center stack. As we move out, we can see the power passenger seat. Both front seats are power. We'll touch on that in a moment. Here we can see the additional power ports for the rear occupants, as well as the vents. As we pan up, we see a great dash shot from door to door. We'll close that sunroof in a moment and cut down on that glare. There's the touchpad, as well as the stereo controls. We'll show that in a better view here in a moment as we pan back and see the power moonroof. We can see we have power windows, power driver's seat. The driver's seat is a 10-way power driver's seat, and the passenger is an 8-way power passenger seat. Both are heated and vented. We'll show the controls here shortly. Great look at the center stack, the center console, the steering wheel controls, as well as the instrument cluster. Tilt telescoping steering wheel. You can see the driver's seat and passenger seat, really nice stitching on the seats. So here are the power windows, power mirrors. The instrument cluster, fingertip controls, really a nice cockpit for the driver. We have a 7-inch touchscreen. It's the Lexus Multimedia system, 7-inch touchscreen with 6 speakers. Here we have the dual climate control, CD player, additional power ports for the driver and passenger, as well as the controls right above that for the heated seats. And then here are the vented seats. So we have blind spot information. Here we have the Lexus touchpad that controls the touchscreen. You can use the touchscreen. You can actually touch on the touchscreen or use the touchpad. So we have automatic climate control, blind spot information system, a backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa, voice command, plus Siri's iFree and Google Voice, intuitive parking assist. There's the the stereo controls on the center console. As we open up the center console, we have additional power ports in the center console. Nice and deep center console as well for your personal belongings. Your manuals in the glove box. As we move around to the cargo area, we have all-weather floor mats as well as the cargo mat. We have the first aid kit, additional power port, 17.1 cubic feet of storage space with the rear seats up, and the power rear door with the kick sensor. Great lines on that tailgate too. So the Lexus hybrid engine is a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine producing 181 horsepower, made it with the continual variable transmission, gives you 41 miles per gallon in the city, 38 on the highway. Really an impressive vehicle. There's that aggressive grille with the blue badging.